Jack Smith, Vice President for Sales for Evolve Health. My experience actually started from a very young age. I have a competitive background in swimming, achieved the national level and participated with the national youth team for Canada in swimming, and held several different Canadian age group records. I then went on to study. I have an undergraduate science degree in kinesiology, and I ended up working at a sports science center where I worked with a number of different Canadian Olympic and professional teams. During that period, I was also looking to expand my education, and I ended up receiving a full scholarship to study chiropractic in Atlanta, Georgia. And it was during my studies that I was introduced to a network marketing company. I didn't know anything about network marketing. I was really focused on my studies. But when I saw what the product did, it just was natural for me to share it with other people. And I saw that by building a team of people, I would be able to have an impact far beyond just my mere physical presence. And so I did that with a particular company, and I achieved the top level in that network marketing company, and became a member of the Millionaires Club, a member of their President's Club, one of the youngest members in their company to achieve those levels. And the company actually invited me to be a part of their executive team. So I gave up my distributorship position and began with the corporate office team. Then I had an opportunity to speak with Trey White and his team over the phone. In that conversation, I just had a feeling during that time that came over me that made me think, you know what? This is a real opportunity. And if Trey is the person that he comes across on the phone and his team, this is something that's worth my while investigating. I never would have gotten involved with network marketing if I didn't believe in the product. And what the product does really makes a tremendous difference. The Evolve product will be absolutely easy for everyone to share, regardless of your background. It's something that's simple, effective, and easily to share with everyone that you know. It takes dedication and drive and a plan and hard work. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, so to speak. It's a business like any other business is a business. But what I love about it is it doesn't matter your background. And with Evolve, we'll be providing you with the tools to expand your business so you don't have to know all the ins and outs and the details. We're going to be creating those tools for you to help you expand your business. But that's one of the things that I love most about this industry, is that it's an opportunity for the average person to get involved in business and earn some of that residual income that they typically would never be able to do.